Yeah, found the Jake brakes. What's up YouTube? It is Shane Stevens back in action, and it has been a long 70 days without me posting. It's probably gonna be a few more days till I get this video up. I'm gonna try posting on Sundays like I did when I first started, and then one a week, and we'll see how that goes. Anyways, I'm good, hope you're good. Right now we are going to pick up that white project truck. The last time you seen it, I was photoshopping stuff on the front to make it look cool, but now all that cool stuff is on it. It just got its wet line and it is ready to go down the road. So me and Ben are gonna go pick it up. He's gonna drive it home and we're gonna go have a look at this thing. So let's go see it. Welcome to the video. Ready to go pick up your new steed there, driver? Yep. All right, we're heading out. There it is. We turned it into a Western Star. There she is. Stickered up. Needs some license plates still. But she's got a wet line. And she is looking fine. Oh yeah. Oh no. Nice ass. Nice bum, where you from? Come on, driver! Yep. She looks pretty good, doesn't it? Thank you for more wonderful service. Big cat is sounding good. Oh, there they are. Couple of lights. You can just hear that turbo whistling. Holy. I actually can't believe how good that truck sounds. Unreal. and we have made it back. Busy on the road. We've got construction on the highway, which has made our road a highway, because people like that usually wouldn't be going down it. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about this truck looking beautiful now. I will hopefully be able to show you some clips of what it looked like when we dragged her in, and this is what she's looking like now. We just chased it home, got some clips of her rolling, and now she's getting ready to go to work. Ben is going to clean her up and make her his this weekend, so we will have a look at her then when everything's just gleaming and everything's good to go for him. He's got those mud flaps on the battery box just dangling. Listen to him scrape. Oh, you gotta love it. Oh yeah, that's the money shot right there. Large car for sure. Don't you worry about that squeal. We get her figured out. She ain't on the road yet, but we are damn close. Yeah, found the Jake brakes. Running down the road in sock feet. The things I do for these videos. Now that the Jake brake issue is settled, Well, driver, what do we think of the new investment?
Love it.
Love it.
My legs love it.
Mint. Mint, 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 mint. And there she sits till we have another look on Saturday. And we are back on Saturday. Ben Jams is gonna go give this thing a little test run with a big load of corn to Ingredient in London. So that'll be fun. She's got the plates. She looks great. And fire up! That squeal though. Hooked up to a big load of corn for first ever load here at Stevens Transport. Not too shy. There's the two projects eyeing each other up right there. One day we'll look at that burgundy truck again. And here she goes, loaded up, out for her first big tour. They grow up so fast, don't they? Wasn't long ago we were pulling this thing in. Ugly visor on it. Just horrible condition, but we got her looking large and in charge. All right, everybody. Appreciate you watching. There she goes. Down the road. Safe trip, Benjamin. Appreciate everybody for all the hard work they've done on that truck. I know Ben does too. Make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button. And he didn't even hit the Jake brakes. Ugh, how dare you. Well, that's disappointing, everyone. All right, comment, like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.